Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Look at that. Yeah. 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 Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Ulit mo?
Oo, pasensya na. Boboy ko ba? Oh, shoot. Ay, bolang binanggan eh.
Hindi ka?
Ali, binanggan itang kay. Ay, bolang. May U-turn niya Kenny.
Oo, puta kita. Right.
Binanggan eh, boy. Ima?
Worldwide from Boston, Delta connects you to the world with thoughtfully designed cabins, premium service, and a seamless travel experience. So your travel time feels more like intelligent Wi-Fi. And get this, what if you could keep it at the same price for 5 years? That's the Xfinity 5-year price guarantee. 5 years of Wi-Fi that boosts speeds to the devices that need them most. That finds and fixes problems before you even notice them. Like super intelligent Wi-Fi with a sixth sense. And that keeps you gaming in the fast lane, even when the whole family's banking on bandwidth. All your devices working in perfect harmony for 5 whole years. And here's the best part. No annual contracts, no hidden fees, and our best equipment included. Hey, let's face it, a lot can change in 5 years. Kids grow taller, dreams grow bigger. But your Wi-Fi, it would stay reliable and the
What the?
I'm 17. I gotta get my shit together and get a job.
Really, dude? Where do you go? What are you doing? It's not a stop sign.
Oh boy. What the f you doing? Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Oh my god. Ow! Oh, David.
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Hurry the f up! Jesus Christ! Cunt. Fucking go! You're so stupid!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.